Hey guys, now I will show you how to reset factory settings in Netgear R6120AC1200 Wi-Fi router. This is the best way to full reset Netgear R6120AC1200 Wi-Fi router. Make sure that the power on/off button on the rear panel of the Netgear router is in the on position. The startup procedure takes about 1 minute. When the startup procedure is complete, the power LED lights green. Locate the reset button on the rear panel of the Netgear Wi-Fi router. Press and hold the reset button for over 7 seconds. Netgear R6120AC1200 router lights will start flashing. Give Netgear router about 1 minute to reboot and restore normal operation. When the lights stop flashing, reset process is completed and you can configure all Netgear R6120AC1200 settings from the beginning. Click the end screen to configure your Netgear R6120AC1200 Wi-Fi router. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.